guys, my name is Alisha.
Hello guys, it's Ayush.
And welcome to Asmurka's Kitchen. And today is RakhiPurnima, and happy RakhiPurnima to all the brothers and sisters. And as a sister, I am going to tie a Rakhi to my brother so our love can grow and be so strong. So let's get started. So now we are ready with all the stuff. My mom, she already got it, and I'm going to show it to you one by one. So here I took some rice kiwi. I took some gulab jamun, which is super yummy and tasty. I took some rasagulla, and you guys could go to the description down and see how to make this recipe. And I took some pita. And all this stuff is homemade. So here I made some homemade Rakhis. They're homemade and they're just so cool. You can make this at home. And this one I made with some beads. I took some heart beads and I made it. And in this one I took some gems. And I made this one for my brother because he just loved this, and this one just looks so amazing. And then I took 2 chocolates, which is my brother's favorite too. He loves these kinds of chocolates. And I took some different kinds of flowers. These flowers, they just look so pretty. They're just different colors of flowers. And I took some grass here. And I took some like kumkum. They're just like red kumkums. So you guys can see it nicely. And here I took like some turmeric powder. These turmeric powder, they're like haldi too. And I took some rice. So these all stuff are like traditional stuff. Yeah, so they're like traditional stuff. So now I took some turmeric powder and I'm gonna put it on my brother. Just take it slowly and put it on him in his forehead. He looks so funny. It just like came on his nose. It just fell on his nose. It's so funny. Then I'm gonna add a little of the kumkum. I'm gonna add a little more, I'm just gonna add more. Here it's a lot. And then I'm going to put on the Rakhi on him. So the Rakhi, you guys can see it nicely. I'm gonna put it on him. So there, I'm gonna put it and then I'm gonna tie it up. It's gonna take a pretty long time, kind of. Yeah, not really. But yeah, I'm just gonna tie it up. So I'm tying it. It looks amazing. And it also makes some noises, like makes some sound with this Rakhi that I made for him, and it's just so amazing. So you guys can see nicely. It's the front and then the back. Oh my gosh, how funny am I? So here you can see the back. Now you can see it. It looks so amazing. And now I'm gonna put on the flowers. So now I'm gonna put on some purple flowers. They just keep dropping. Took some more of the purple flower and put it on his head. My brother is like, what in the world are you doing? I'm adding the white flowers and the pink one. Oh my gosh, the red one keeps falling down. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. They keep dropping, they never stay up there. Oh, my brother, he's shaking to get them out. Oh my gosh, it fall down all over. Oh, that's a lot. Then I'm gonna add some rice on him, in his head. So my brother, he's like what are you doing? And then then I'm gonna add some grass on him. Yeah, and then I'm gonna add just a little more flour. Yeah, now it kind of looks pretty. And some purple and some white. Then I'm gonna kiss him, and the flower fall again. So he looks so amazing, and I just love it. Then I'm gonna put a little more rice. That's too much of rice, but I'm just gonna put a little more on him. So now I took some of these Hershey's chocolates, which is my brother's favorite. You can see there are 2 of them, and I'm gonna hand it. I'm gonna give it to him. So you can see it looks amazing. And then I'm gonna give him some of the rice kiwi for him to eat it. Yeah, I guess he likes it. Oh my gosh, it hit in his nose. While I was feeding him in the spoon, it just hit in the nose and I'm trying to get it out. So I got it out. And then I'm gonna give him some pita. I'm just gonna do it a little bit because he can't really put a lot. And then he's eating it right now. He loves it. And then I'm gonna take the spoon out and I'm gonna give the rasagulla, which is the famous of Orissa. I'm gonna give him some rasagulla. I'm not gonna give him the whole thing. So I'm just gonna cut it into half and then I'm gonna give it to him. So my brother, he put the chocolate down because he doesn't want to hold it. So now I have already fed my brother the rasagulla, and then it's gonna be time for the gulab jamun. So the gulab jamun is kind of hard to do it into half. So I'm like, why doesn't it work? And my brother, he's just laughing, and I have a lot of rice, and he's just like, what the heck is happening? So yeah. So I'm trying to still get it out. It doesn't work. And now here it is. So now I will already feed my brother. He loves it. Yeah, he loves it. And then I got some in my hand and then I just ate it. My brother, he loves it, so that's what he did at thumbs. So then he kissed me, then I kissed him. We both are brothers and sisters. That's what they do. And then we hug each other. And we're having a lot of fun. And I'm telling him to give me the gift. He's going and trying to give me the gift, and he says me to close my eyes. So while I'm closing the eyes, he's getting the gift. I'm still closing my eyes, and then he got the gift. He has been put it in my lap, and then he sits down and he says me to open my eyes. And then I'm like, I have a shock. What is happening? And I just love the gift. So now you guys could see the gift bag. It's just so amazing. It's just so amazing. I love the color pink. I just love it. And now we're gonna see what's inside. So we're gonna see what's inside there. Oh my gosh, they are chocolates. I love them. They're one of my favorite chocolate. Oh, this is also my favorite chocolate. I just love it. They are one of my favorite chocolates. And then, what is this? I love this watermelon. Let's see what's in there. Ooh, look at the lip balms. I got 2 cherry flavor, a strawberry, and a grapes. And then he gave me another pouch. Let's see what's in there. Oh, let's open it up. Oh, there is 2. There is one of the cherry flavor lip balm. And he got this pouch. Let's see what's in there. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh. He gave me some owl earrings. Look at them, how cute they are. Oh, he got me this blue nail polish. And he got me a pretty comb, a red pretty comb. He got me another lip balm. It's also cherry. And oh my gosh! He gave me like the nail polish where there was like different types of things. He gave me a teal one, teal nail polish. And he got me a pink nail polish. And he got me the sort of like the hot pink nail polish. And he got a dark and a light purple nail polish for me. That was amazing. Let's see what's in there. Oh my gosh, there is something really amazing. Oh, it is a t-shirt. I love it. It says meow. I love cats and it's just amazing. It fits me perfectly. I just love it. Oh, thank you, Ayush. You're the best brother in the world. Thank you so much. I just love it. Thanks, Ayush. So you guys can see it looks so amazing. and there is nothing in the bag. And I just love my brother. He gave me a lot of stuff and I just loved it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.